Look how beautiful this boiled farm eggs from our friend. Thanks to our friend. Wish I had a farm too that I can take care of chickens. These actually are huge compared to what we did back then in the Philippines. I am a farm. So I was raised in the farm. Hers are so big. Look, they're gigantic. They're American. Yes. Huge. I just boiled them. So let's see how it looks like inside. See how colorful the farm eggs compared to the ones that you can buy in the store. Well, there are some that you can buy now though, that color like this. Just like the ones we buy in Sam's Club. But I like this much. Look at. So yummy.
Ang question sa Minnesota, sana hindi naman tricky-tricky yung tanong sa susunod.
Oh.
Kapataya ako niya sa...
Brown egg. Kuha ka na. Lagyan ng kamatis, ulamin. Oh, kain tayo. Oh, meron tayong, ang tawag dito, dilis, anchovies, sausaw sa suka, lagyan ng suka o kamatis, o diba? Filipino style. Pero Filipino naman talagang pagkain to. Meron din pala nakakain sa Africa. Ito galing sa Africa, no?
Aha.
This one?
African.
Oh, kala ko. Oh, wow. Sarap. Oh, ano yun? Ito naman, from the farm of our friend. Ito naman, from Ghana with love. Ang galing.
Kamatis made in USA na yan.
Ah.
By the way.
Product mo tayo, hindi made.
Oo pala. It's
Product
produced
pala
from USA. Ito, Ghana.
Nako.
Ito, farm from our friend too in Minnesota. Produced of USA. Hindi ko alam kung saan sa USA yan.
Basta.
Yung mga ulang yan, yung leftover naming sabaw kahapon, o kakain na kami.
Gawa na nga sa Amerika.
Ay, meron pa pala tayong isa pa, tinapa. From Ghana din. Ito naman, American style naman, meron siyang tinapa at saka butter. Ito pa yung aming tinapa. Sinong may gusto? May from Ghana. Ay! Ay!